$1912. It's a patent from 1912. I don't know if it's been here since 1912. That's it. Hey guys, I'm here with my dad, and I literally have to come here because he keeps it here in his house. He literally keeps this thing here. All my brothers, nephews, everybody uses this thing. We really love this thing. And my dad is actually a retired mechanic. He owned his own mechanic shop. And if he wants to keep this thing here, is because that tells you he really thinks this is a real tool. And so I just wanted to show you. It's got the indicator here for the light, for the battery. The battery level tells you just simply press the button. But even if it was on the first light, this impact still has the power it needs to break any bolt. Whenever it knows that it doesn't have enough power, it just won't turn on. So it's not like it's gonna leave you stranded or not gonna apply the pressure. It's always gonna work or not gonna work. That's how easy it is. So it's got here two different levels. Number one is for weaker, smaller breaking of bolts, and level 2 is a higher, more torque for tightening, more tighter stuff, heavy duty stuff. And it's got a working light. So we've used it on the side of the road when someone breaks down or we have to change a tire on the side of the road, and it works really good. So we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching.